Hello guys, today we will talk about our project Smart Inventory Tracker. At the first we have to build init.py. In this only the marks up as a Python package which we will use 1.0, and here the database .py that which will get the data from the Oracle. Case I use the SQL as Oracle. If the connection will be success, it will automatically put the user and password and the DSN which you already set. It load also all from the .env, and then here the utils.py will be responsible for the items ID and the sold quantity, which will be the FIFO management with improvement. Also, it will be the coloring inventory items based on the rice range. It will be all in the utils. So here in the main, the it creates the table and it gets you the table, which will be the for example, it will create the table and it will print for you the welcome to Smart Inventory Tracker. So whatever you will put in the print, it will show you in the screen. Adding inventory and adding employees, which will be the example here. Also checking for low stock item and fetching the fast selling item. And then we have to add in the end if name equal main, be able to make the program. In app.py you can create also the app which will be responsible for Flask, which will be import the things from the Flash which you have already downloaded, and retrieve inventory with color scale with low stock reminders. Color scale for pricing and low stock reminder will be the inventory list. Color scale based on the price, which I have make a rule. For example, if the price is smaller than 10, then item will be green. If it's smaller or equal the price than 10, else LE, which will be like smaller than 50, then yellow. And then if the price it will be higher than the 50, it will be red. And then in the quantity, if the item smaller than 5, it will give the alert, and if it's not, then it will not give the alert. And the finally, cursor close, connection close for the inventory. Then in these we have I have added the FIFO management, which add an inventory with the batch name, that you will get the product name, quantity, price, and batch name. And of course, we have added if not all required, you have to add the all field required, which will be necessary things. For example, without product name, you cannot save anything, so you have to keep a product name. Also here I added the fast moving item with API fast moving item methods, and then it will be showing you how much it sell and how much it will, which item will be more faster. Also we have added employee directory management also with using API, and again we use if name equal main. Without this we cannot run the app also. And here you have to create some env to use your database password system. Instead you will put it in different of the files. And here I have created, when I build my repository, I just created the git ignore. At the end I just add the env because I choose the Python. Here the requirement txt, that you have to put the version of things that which will be suitable for your SQL and then the Python. And as requested, the README it talks about my smart inventory tracker, the description, the FIFO management, low stock alerts, the features, and the setup. Because without installing the requirement txt and then the the file necessary things that depend this, it doesn't work. Also, we have to initialize the database as a bash. At the end, run the application. You writing Python app.py, which will make a which will give you the output as this one. So if the output will be this, you have to click the server which is running on. For me, it's 500. That it will direct you to different page. Here also I have added for JavaScript, which will be responsible for displaying the inventory item, adding new inventory. Also, I have added initial load for load inventory. And here, which will be the creating table in SQL migration script for us, that it will use the product name, quantity, price in the database, also the employees and sale, and you can add more as you wish, whatever your project requires. And here I have created some test case for the database, inventory, and everything. For running the program, we have to write Python app.py, and then as you see that the SQL will connect, and then of course asking the serving flash ask, and then the debugger and everything. Once you done, press Control click, it will direct you to your default browser. In this case, for me, it's Chrome, which will show you this. You can customize it as you wish, as your customer or the user needs. Here you can, if you add inventory, of course it will say fill this out, and everything you have to fill. The quantity also, it's a drop down list. The price also will be drop down list. The batch name you have to add. Employee, you can add anything as you wish. So here my first project. Thank you for watching.